Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S40 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let's tap on it and here let's enter the display. Now let's tap on the wallpaper, and as you can see here we've got two different albums actually from which we can choose our wallpaper from. So at the very top we've got the photos and it is actually your own gallery, and under it we've got the wallpapers which are defaultly installed on this device. So let me tap on it, and as you can see after tapping on it you can see three different options which are currently applied on this device, and let's be honest, they are a little bit boring and dark, so we can always tap on my photos and we will be transferred to our gallery. So let me pick something a little bit maybe more funny, I mean a little bit more colorful. So as you can see after picking the option, or of course if you'd like to pick something from those options, all you have to do is to simply tap on it in order to check the preview. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Save Wallpaper. And as you can see right now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And we've got the information that the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So let's get it back. And as you can see it is visible on the home page. Let's check the lock screen also. And as you can see it is also visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your DOOGEE S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.